हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज हमारा डे 2 है मैनचेस्टर में एंड वी जस्ट केम आउट फॉर हैव अ लवली लंच। विद मी इज नन अदर देन इंट्रोडक्शन बंदा दे देता है ना अपना।
I'm exhausted.
Okay, I thought he's gonna say, well, I don't need any introduction. And with us is Samad. एक मिनट ना, आप सबका होने दो पहले.
Hello.
Hello, this is my lovely and this is Tham.
I'm matching the decor.
He's matching
and I'm
the
not
decor.
happy about it.
And we are at this very nice restaurant, by the way. This is Mughlai Tikka something. नहीं, Mughlai King's Karai, yes.
Because we've never been to a Pakistani restaurant all our life, ना तो
शुक्र है साहब बेइज्जत नहीं किया ना। वो कहने से चल निकलो उधर से मोलाई तिक्का जाओ। So what's your thought? How was last night, Danish? At Phoenix, did you enjoy yourself?
yeah.
It was nice. What about you, Samad? Did you enjoy yourself? Yeah. Tham, what do you have to say about last night?
Oh, I absolutely.
It was a bombastic experience or not?
It wasn't a bombastic experience, but it was.
Well, it was nice, and now we just came here. We have to have some desi food because there was some people who wanted to have desi. So Tam said, "Why not? I'll make exceptions for that."
For what?
For desi food, na? We were
Yeah.
having a debate over it. So we're just waiting for the food and. Okay, so we are just done with our food. As you can see, all done. Danish and Thamur, what do you think about the food here?
It's so good.
That's an evil laugh there. What about you, Danish? Do you like the food?
Yeah, I think when it comes to Pakistani food, Manchester is best.
There is a bit of a conflict in both the reviews, but I think the food was okay. But I have tried this in Ilford and in Luton as well, so that was it. So now we're gonna go outside. We are looking for some place to have a shiryakh, so hopefully we can find it.
2,000 years later.
We are at the Manchester city centre right now, and we're gonna explore the Christmas party. No, not Christmas party, Christmas market. Samad, how do you say where we are?
अभी तो सब्र करो, अभी तो देखेंगे मज़ा
क्या
आएगा
देखेंगे?
नहीं आएगा। ये जगह ना जहाँ पे
जगह?
आए
हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
क्रिसमस
हम कहाँ पे हैं अभी?
I don't know. I haven't been here, so.
Oh wow. दानिश, मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग सिटी सेंटर अभी आए हैं ना? What's your thoughts on the Christmas market here? What's your expectations?
I'm like very excited. I love this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are so much used to go to London all the time, the Winter Wonderland and everything. So this is gonna be our first time exploring the second largest city in UK and their Christmas market. So hopefully it's gonna be the amazing one. This is the entrance to the market. हम कहाँ पे आए हैं?
Father Christmas आ गया।
Wait, ये क्या है वीडियो?
So we are at the Christmas party. It's very packed here. It's very crowded and packed. They have a lot of activities, but not obviously same as Winter Wonderland. Oh, this is my favorite. Samad, come here, let's try some marshmallows. You know, these are the roasted marshmallows. This is the roasted marshmallows here.
दानिश मुझसे जलील होने वाला था, बहुत गंदे वाला.
क्या हुआ तैमूर? What do you have to
I
say?
was just walking. Don't make me. I was just walking past वो जो है इब्राहिम कैमरा लेके पड़ा था, मैंने कहा व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, ही सेड कि दानिश की पिक्चर ले रहा हूँ, और दानिश कहता है जानबूझ के मेरे रास्ते में आके खड़ा हो गया।
This is a normal time drama anyways in the vlogs. Just for the sake of the
It's
vlog.
just all about photos, it's all about photos. No, but for him it's all about photos. Just experience something else, but just feel something else. और आज तक private stories होते हैं. And you know how many people saw his private stories? 182.
Huh?
So this is his private stories.
Exploring, no? So guys, again we are at the Christmas market in Manchester, and I think so far it is the good experience because I have been to the Winter Wonderland. Obviously I haven't made a vlog about it, but inshallah this year I will do. But now because we are here for the weekend in Manchester, so this is the Christmas market. I think this is really nice, to be honest. I really want to come here with my parents. Inshallah soon they're gonna be here, so I'm hoping they will come here and explore this with me. Friends के साथ भी मज़ा आता है और parents के साथ भी inshallah is gonna be a different experience.
गाय को देखो
Tam, I wanna ask you, what's the difference between the Winter Wonderland and Manchester here in Christmas market?
I mean, Winter Wonderland is like a big,
Big, yeah, bigger
amusement
version.
park.
Amusement
Kind of
park,
big,
yeah.
This is quite
Because they have a
small, but
circus.
this is more fun.
This is more fun, yeah. Because it's compact,
I
na?
think Winter Wonderland is very overrated.
Yeah, you think so?
उन दोनों को हॉस्पिटल होना
By the way, I love those cute cows.
I told you it's so cute. You have to hit six cards with a dot.
Yeah? By the way, this is also so much fun. अभी हम लोगों ने फिनिश किया है अपना क्रिसमस मार्केट और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक और जगह एक्सप्लोर करने. But how was your experience, Sam? Yeah, these are the gates to the town center and now we are going to another place. अच्छा मैंने जो है I've been going there for the past 3 years I guess because before I was in Portsmouth and when I moved to Essex and then I was going to Winter Wonderland quite a few times. It is very nice in London. Manchester one is quite small, very crowded, very overpacked, but they have all the things that Christmas market should have, to be honest. And it was a wonderful experience. And now we are heading to another place. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Oh, I think that's their main center. Sway with me. वो कौन सा गाना है? Sway with me.
Sway with me.
हाँ, sway with me.
When the river dance with me.
Chris Brass, come in. समद आप क्यों दूर दूर जा रहे हैं हमसे? आप क्यों दूर दूर जा रहे हो?
ऐसे ही तुम लोग स्लो हो तो आपने क्या करना
You know the song, when it came out, it was like a bit of a taboo at that time.
Why?
The one you're talking about. Because it was too sexualized for the time.
Oh. But to me it sounds very promising, darling.
Imagine in the 60s.
Yeah. That you can sway with me. These are the trams in Manchester, which I haven't seen in London. London should have trams.
We didn't do a fit check today.
So this is Tam's fit check. Tam, explain your fit check. Chalo na.
I'm not sure about my shoes today, to be honest.
Why? Looney Tunes.
Huh?
But these are
Not
Dolce.
Looney Tunes. It's Dolce & Gabbana.
Dolce &
And I'm
Gabbana.
wearing it for the first time in rain.
Yeah.
And this is my favorite jacket. I bought it 2 years ago and never wore it.
Yeah. I really like his shoes. Very sparkly and red and just like my type.
What about like if it's one of a chrome na chad gaya? Be careful. Where are we going, by the way?
I think we are going to another place. After that we're gonna Ya Allah de khairu ki. Come Yoda. Oh. शुक्र है हमारे ऊपर से ट्रैम नहीं चढ़ी. ये देखिए. Tam saved me. Tam saved my life.
वो बेचारे उसके ऊपर चढ़ने वाले.
So we're gonna end our Saturday night here in Manchester, and it was such a lovely time we had with everyone. Hi. So we just it was a lovely night, and now we're gonna head back to the apartment.
They're from Los Angeles.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we're from Los Angeles.
Oh, we are visiting here from London.
Yeah.
So it's nice.
Having a good time so far?
Oh, amazing. We're on our third night.
Oh wow.
It's our second night.
This is our second night.
Second night.
Yeah. Alright, nice to meet you guys. Bye
Have
bye.
a good night.
So Tams, how's your experience so far?
I think she was probably lying.
She's not from Los Angeles.
No way. Probably from York.
Just like we met someone who said I'm half Greek and half Pakistani, and he was completely bullshitting us.
I've been coughing. I said, don't bring that in the
Everyone is out, everyone is having a good time, enjoying. Tamur, their nightlife is crazy. Look at the crowd here. Oh my goodness.
You know what this place looks like?
Everyone is
Lost in
out.
Tokyo. On the right.
Everyone here.
Hey!
अभी आ गया ना? ये देखो.
You got that guy, right?
Yeah. What do you think about the kebab? Huh?
Honestly, I was so hungry that I would have just eaten anything at that
Anything.
point.
He was craving for a greasy kebab ना. He told me that मुझे गंदा greasy kebab खाना है. So, लेकिन वो गंदा तो नहीं था, लेकिन greasy ज़रूर था. Tell us about how's your experience in Manchester.
It's very nice. It's very good.
Yeah.
Look my hairs.
Yeah. चिड़ियों का घोंसला. All right, guys. Bye
a
for
wrap.
now. It's a wrap, and inshallah, I'm gonna continue this tomorrow on Sunday when we're gonna head to the South End, to London first, and then South End. So, bye for now.